Hello, this is welcome to More Sound. We are reviewing these Acer PC speakers with stands. I don't know what the model of these are or the manufacturing date, so but we have a bass and a volume knob. But you can demo the sound quality. Let's turn it on. I'm playing some copyright-free YouTube audio library music. And these two get very loud. Here's the other channel. I'm afraid that's it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for shopping at More Sound. Hope you will continue to shop at More Sound for years to come. And please subscribe to this channel. We currently only have 64 subscribers. Goodbye.